It's another Blending with Henry Vitamix giveaway. Hey you guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Blending with Henry show. My name is Henry. Now earlier this year in the springtime, I gave away a Vitamix Smart System blender, and the contest was a smash success, and I thank you all for participating. Now you guys helped Blending with Henry achieve 18,000 subscribers right here on YouTube with over 4 million views, and I want to give back. Now Vitamix was kind enough to support another giveaway, so we're taking it back to the classic design. So today I'm giving away a Professional Series 500, and here are the contest rules. To enter the contest, simply subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow Blending with Henry on Instagram or like Blending with Henry on Facebook. Post a comment on either of these social media channels and tell me why you'd like to win a Vitamix Professional Series 500 and what delicious blends you'll be making with it. And also make sure to include hashtag Vitamix Sweepstakes in your comment. The Vitamix Professional Series 500 will be awarded to one winner. Now the contest starts August 15th, 2018 and ends on August 31st, 2018. Now the winner will be picked at random between my YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook comment section. Now the winner will be contacted directly from Blending with Henry and will have 24 hours to respond. Now if no response to you guys within 24 hours, I'll have to pick a new winner. Now the contest giveaway is for USA residents only. Thank you so much. Wouldn't you love to win one of these? The Vitamix Professional Series 500 is a staple of Vitamix because of its classic design. Now, it's a beauty. It has 3 presets, variable speed control, and dedicated pulse. Now the perfect machine for families and the aspiring home chef. Now, you generally see this design on the Food Network cooking channel and is preferred by restaurant chefs. You're getting one brand new in the box with a 64-ounce tall container, recipe book, tamper, getting started DVD, and a full 7-year warranty. Along with the included 64-ounce container, it's compatible with the 20-ounce personal cup adapter, the 32-ounce dry container for grinding grains and milling spices, and the recently released air disc container for muddling, making dips, and non-blended drinks. Now, of course, I have a recipe for you guys to showcase the Professional Series 500. It's a fan favorite. It's my Naked Frozen Lemonade Iced Tea. Now, it's called Naked because it's free of artificial colors and flavors. Just fresh ingredients of lemons, basil, mint, and fresh brewed tea. So if you guys are ready, then let's get blending with Henry. You guys, I've been searching around smoothie shops looking for a good frozen blended iced tea. Couldn't find anything. Saw this country style place online showing a delicious looking frozen iced tea. Well, until I saw the ingredients. Now it has citric acid, instant tea, artificial flavor, tricalcium phosphate, caramel color. Need I say more, you guys? Yuck! Okay. So I decided to create my own recipe. It's easy to make and I'm using fresh ingredients, real food. I call it the Naked Frozen Lemonade Iced Tea. Using fresh ingredients, it's made with fresh brewed tea from tea leaves, whole lemons, fresh herbs, and it's all natural and super refreshing during the hot summer. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make the Naked Frozen Lemonade Iced Tea. Please head over to blendingwithhenry.com. You can grab the full recipe. So let's get started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make fresh brewed tea from tea leaves. Insert my basket, and then attach the lid. Then make sure it's on the right tea setting. Now I'm going to pour the tea into ice cube trays to create tea ice cubes. Okay. Now this is much better than using water-based ice cubes. This way the Naked Frozen Lemonade Iced Tea will have a big punch of tea flavor rather than being watered down by regular ice cubes. And you can do this a few hours before serving or several days ahead of time if you're planning a party. And there you go. Now put the ice cube tray into the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours. Now, if you are planning to make the tea ice cubes several days ahead of time, I highly recommend that you vacuum seal them to keep them fresh and from evaporating. I'll show you how to do it. After your tea ice cubes have frozen, you want to place them into a vacuum sealer bag. And then place them into your vacuum sealer and let it do its work. Now your ice cubes are fully protected from freezer burn, other food smells, and free from evaporation. This will last several months in the freezer. So the first thing we're going to do is put in fresh whole lemons with the seeds removed. 1 fresh mint leaf. 1 fresh basil leaf. Fresh brewed tea chilled. Simple syrup. Turkish honey, or any local honey, and our iced tea ice cubes. I'm going to snap my lid in place. And right over here, you can actually use the preset if you like, but I prefer to use the variable speed control so I can have more control on the speed. Alright you guys, it's a beautiful day. I'm going to go over to the marina, hang out on the water, and I'm going to pour up the naked frozen lemonade iced tea there so you can see how it looks. Okay you guys, it's supposed to be slushy and turn out like this. But Mr. Sunshine hit me with an 85-degree weather day, so my slush started to slack and turn into a liquid.
It's really good, you guys. It's fresh lemons, fresh brewed tea. It is very refreshing. Now you can go ahead and just garnish it. A couple of festive straws. Mint and basil leaf. There. And an umbrella if you have serving it to a guest. And there you go. The freaking... Keep going, keep going. The naked frozen lemonade iced tea. You've got to try it.
Say it again.
The naked frozen lemonade iced tea. You've got to try it.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for hanging out, and I wish you all good luck on the Vitamix Professional Series 500 giveaway. I'm looking forward to all your responses. Now if you like this video, please press the like button, and please subscribe for future video updates, and I will see you all next time.